Today, we try yet another lip syncing tool and figure out if it's worth the hype.
Pollo AI is an AI-powered animation tool that lets you turn any image, whether it's a photo, artwork, or AI-generated portrait, into a talking character in seconds. Unlike many tools that focus only on basic mouth movement, Pollo AI goes a step further by syncing every word, tone, and emotion to match your voice perfectly. The result? Videos that feel natural, expressive, and lifelike, even if they were made from a still image. It's fast, web-based, and doesn't require any editing experience. Everything happens right in your browser. Head over to Pollo AI. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, sign in or create a free account to access all the basic features. You see, their dashboard is very clean. They have different tools you can access directly from their dashboard, like AI, video, avatar, shorts, and even effects. Our focus today shall be on video generation only. I'll click on Image to Video, and this interface opens up. Here you get to choose the model you want to use. They offer so many different models. It's more like OpenArt, which we've covered in a previous video, whereby you get all the video generators in one platform. This is always great for trying out different models without having to pay for multiple subscriptions. Next, upload the face you want to animate. It could be an AI-generated portrait, a cartoon character, or even a digital avatar you've made elsewhere. I shall use this image. We created it in our previous video. Pollo AI supports different face types, so experiment with a few to see which one gives you the best result. This is where you paste your prompt and then choose between the two models they have, which are the basic and the pro models. You can toggle the audio on and off. If you turn it off, you simply get an animated video with no sound. You also get to set the video length to either 5 or 10 seconds and choose the number of generations you get per generation. Under the advanced setting, you can choose your desired resolution and even set your visibility to private. This ensures no one can see your generations. I'm going to paste my prompt and generate. The prompt was she is talking with natural facial expressions and hand gestures and says, if you are enjoying this video thus far, let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
If you are enjoying this video thus far, let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
One thing I like about this website is there is no wait time for your generations. You get very few credits to try out their website. The model I initially used was Pollo 1.6, and this was the output. As you can see, the quality was so poor, so I had to switch to Kling, which is what I used to get this video quality. It is quite similar to OpenArt, only difference is it has models that OpenArt doesn't have, like Midjourney and Sora. It's great for social media marketing. You can turn product photos into short, talking promos that feel interactive and personal. Imagine an AI spokesperson introducing your brand. It's engaging, fast, and costs almost nothing to make. And if you're into storytelling or AI influencers, Pollo AI lets you create recurring characters with consistent voices, perfect for building digital personalities that your audience can connect with. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, Pollo AI gives you the power to generate lifelike lip-synced videos in minutes. No animation skills required. Pollo AI makes it super simple. Upload your image, add your text, and let the AI handle the animation. It's fast, it's accurate, and best of all, you can try it for free before upgrading to premium features. Links to everything I mentioned will be in the description box below.
As always, we appreciate you tuning in every week to consume our content. Do like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.